Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rifat Ali Mon. I am one of the co-founder and mentor of the PCSCAT team. In our today's video, we would like to share some thoughts about the common visual problems that is encountered in the MRCP PCS exam. Usually the visual problems comes in the history and brief clinical consultation station. So no one knows that whether you have to face at least one visual problems in your MRCP PCS exam. So there are several sorts of visual problems that usually encountered in the MRCP exam, but here we would like to share some common differentials in our today's video. So at first we have to look some differentials for dry gritty eyes. So if any patient complains of dry gritty eyes, you can think of thyroid eye disease, several sorts of rheumatological disease like rheumatoid arthritis, Sjogren syndrome, and some GI disease, that is inflammatory bowel disease. If any patient complains of diplopia or double vision, then you can think of thyroid eye disease, myasthenia gravis, Miller Fisher syndrome, several sorts of cranial nerve palsy like third, fourth, sixth cranial nerve palsy, multiple sclerosis, Wernicke's encephalopathy, and Moretti multiplex. If any patient has the combination of tunnel vision, night vision, problem in the color vision, and you can think of the differentials of retinitis pigmentosa. And sometimes this is a very common scenario that comes in the MRCP exam, that acute unilateral loss of vision. In these cases, you can think of amaurosis fugax, central retinal artery occlusion, central retinal vein occlusion, giant cell arteritis, migraine, and also glaucoma. If any patient complains of bumping into objects, difficulty in looking in the sides, then the patient might have some accidents, patient might have some problem regarding parking of the car, then you have to think of bitemporal hemianopia, which is common in acromegaly. You can think of homonymous hemianopia also if it is single-sided. Again, if the patient has any complaint of red painful eye with photophobia, you have to think of mostly the uveitis and the differentials of uveitis like ankylosing spondylitis, seronegative arthritis, other vasculitis, and other rheumatological disease also, and GI disease, that is inflammatory bowel disease. If any patient complains of color vision problem, then you can think of the optic atrophy, most commonly due to multiple sclerosis. It could be drug induced, that is ethambutol. It could be retinal pigmentation due to hydroxychloroquine. And another common thing comes in the MRCP exam, that the slowly progressive painless vision loss in diabetic patient. Then what differentials you can think of? You will think of diabetic retinopathy, diabetic maculopathy, cataract, and any oscular change in the lens. So these are in brief the most common visual problems that are encountered in the MRCP PCS exam. Hope we will like to share more videos. So keep in touch with our PCS Care YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.